I promise you've never seen anything like this brand new video course on using Whole Life as your own private bank. Now, I'd tell you it'd save you months worth of research, but actually, without being an industry insider like me, you wouldn't even have access to the same data, much less the context. Sure, you can scroll around online and find the hit pieces or the fluff pieces, and we all know what opinions are like. I was in the exact same boat 15 years ago. I was intrigued, but I was also skeptical. And I didn't really know who to trust except for the data itself. The problem was it was nearly impossible to find anything besides bold claims online. And that's exactly why I started bankingtruths.com. Fortunately for you, I keep doing the deep research so you can have everything spoon-fed to you. Now, they say the devil's in the details. Well, you being able to look over my shoulder, somebody who lives and breathes this stuff every single day, will be absolutely invaluable to your research. So what's different about this course versus all the other fluff you're going to find online? Well, we reveal 42 years worth of historical data on dividend rates, policy loan rates, outside loan rates, and we see and show you how they all interact with each other. And it's perfect because the 1980s were the last time that interest rates and inflation spiked up this quickly. That way you can see how this not only impacted the policy's growth, but the two loan options you have available to you. And we're using data from the most front-loaded and overfunded policy we could find back then, and it did its job and then some. But today we have so much more innovative policy design techniques, which, by the way, we also discuss all of this inside the course. Anyway, it's all waiting inside for you. We even give you access to one of our modeling calculators. That way you can ballpark your own numbers before having to talk to a human. So if you're ready to find out once and for all if using Whole Life as your own private bank is right for you, and you want to ground that decision with 42 years worth of deep historical research, then jump into the free course below and we'll see you there.